Imagine seamlessly integrating your applications with the vast capabilities of Dropbox Cloud Storage. Today, we'll show you how. First, we need to visit the Dropbox Developer Portal. This is where all the magic begins. Look for the Developers or API section here. You'll find everything you need to get started, including documentation, SDKs, and tools. Next, you'll need to register your application to get access to the API. Click on the Create App or Register an App button. You'll be prompted to choose an API type and provide some basic information about your application. When creating your app, carefully select the permissions your application requires. This ensures your integration is secure and only has access to what it needs. Think about whether you need to read files, write files, or manage folders. Once configured, you'll receive an access token. This access token is your key to interacting with the Dropbox API. Treat it like a password and keep it secure. You'll use this token in your application's code to authenticate your requests. With your app registered and token in hand, you're ready to start building. You can use your preferred programming language and Dropbox's provided SDKs, or make direct HTTP requests to the API endpoints to perform actions like uploading, downloading, listing, and deleting files. For instance, to upload a file, you'd make a specific API call, providing the file content and destination path. Likewise, to download, you'd specify the file you want to retrieve. This opens up a world of possibilities for automating workflows, synchronizing data between services, and building custom file management solutions. The Dropbox API empowers you to unlock powerful cloud storage integrations, dive into the developer documentation, and start building your innovative solutions today. Don't forget to subscribe for more developer tutorials.